everyone, my name is Leslie and I'm with Historic Philadelphia. I'm just going to take my mask off because we're all in a safe spot. I just want to welcome you all today as we celebrate the coming new year. We have a few crafts for you to do, and today I'm going to work with you to make our 2021 party hat. So there's a few things you're going to need. One thing you'll need, of course, is a nice big sheet of paper. That's always helpful when you're making a craft. You're going to get some crayons for us to decorate later, some tape, some scissors, some ribbon, some glue, and as you can see, some things to decorate our party hat. So let's get started. This is real simple, and we hope you guys will do it together because it's always fun doing things together. The first thing you want to do is trace a big circle. What I like to use is something you might have around the house. I'm using a pot lid, believe it or not. You want to grab a marker or a pencil and just trace that pot lid. Real simple, right? It's a great way to make a nice even circle. Once you have that circle traced, you're going to cut that circle out, and I already have those pre-done just to make it a little easier for us. So now you have a circle all ready for you to go. Now the next step is to grab your scissors, and you might want to have, if you're not already working with a grown-up help you with this, and you're going to cut a little tiny triangle out of that circle, right? Right to the center of your circle. Real simple. Okay? Okay, now that you have your triangle cut out, now's the challenging part. Maybe you can get some help with a grown-up in your house, or you can work on this together. You take your two ends and you just fold them into each other, right? And here you have the cone of your hat. Now you can make your hat as big or as small as you want, depending on how far you want to pull those ends of your hat, okay? So once you have that done, now you're going to tape your ends together. So for that, you're going to grab your scotch tape. You don't need a really big piece, and you're just going to tape along that seam there, okay? Now if you want to, you can tape the inside too, but you really don't have to. So the next step in this process is making the string so that you can tie the hat around your head. So now you're going to take your curling ribbon and make straps so that you can tie this onto your head. You're going to take that, you're going to cut a piece, you're going to fold that piece in half and cut it again. And it's okay if your pieces are too long because you can always trim them later, but it's harder to add things back. So then you're going to take some tape, tape the ribbon to your hat. You usually want to do that on the inside. And then you're going to take the other side as well. Tape that to your inside on the opposite side so you can see how it's hanging here. And then you're going to take it to the other side. And as you can see, those ribbons are pretty long, right? But you can always trim those. Okay, so now comes the fun part where we get to decorate our hat. You can use anything you want to decorate. You can use crayons, which are super fun and easy, obviously. Or you can kind of pull out things that maybe you have left over from the holidays, like tinsel. You can use pipe cleaners, or you can use more curling ribbon. So for that, it's probably best to use some glue. Glue sticks work, but Elmer's liquid glue is probably a little bit better. So you're going to put that glue, obviously, right onto your hat. Stick some embellishments on there. Maybe you want to put a 2021 on there. You obviously want to let that dry as well. So to kind of show you guys what a final product might look like, I did make a little hat at home for 2021 as we are all looking forward to the new year. We would love to see you share your pictures of your crafts. If you go to our website at historicphiladelphia.org, you can click on the link to Franklin Square and learn all about the fun activities we're doing during our virtual New Year's Eve on December 31st. We would love for you to share your pictures in our virtual photo booth, but most of all, we hope all of you have a happy, safe, and peaceful New Year. Thanks!